Hello, so I want to tell you a little bit today about what's going on for me. I'm having to get some work done on my other house in Liverpool, so that's going to cost me in excess of £1,000. But we don't think twice about getting work done on our house, maybe getting our car fixed, spending money on ourselves, maybe spending money on going out, on shopping, on a football season ticket. If I want to get work done in my business, I would need to expend excess of £1,000 getting a new website, couple of £100 a month minimum on my social media. So if we're happy to spend money on anything like that, is that really going to change our life? No. So why don't we look after ourselves the same? Why don't we look after our well-being? The mind is a muscle, it needs to be looked after. If you find you struggle with poor sleep, you stress a lot, you feel anxious, a lot of negative thought processes, you don't need to suffer with that at all. Look after you, manage your well-being. It can make huge changes. Look after that and everything changes. Okay, have a great day. Take care.